In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Wix website over to WordPress effortlessly. Transitioning from one platform to another might initially seem daunting, but I'm here to walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth migration process. Let's dive right in and transform your online presence. First things first, head over to the Wix website by entering wix.com into your browser. Once you're there, look for the option that says Create New Site and go ahead and click it. This is where the exciting part begins as you embark on creating a new space for your website's content. Next, when prompted with the question, what kind of website? You have a couple of options to choose from. Type in either fundraising or charity to find a template that closely aligns with what your site needs. Afterward, opt for Let Wix ADI create it for you. What exactly is Wix ADI? It stands for Artificial Design Intelligence, which helps speed up the design process by automatically creating a website tailored to your initial inputs. This means you have more time for customization and less time fiddling with the basics. Now, you'll need to answer a few questions to help Wix configure a site that matches your vision. Consider something like a fundraising website for helping stray animals in Manila. This description will ensure the structure and details suit your intended audience and purpose. Once you've set the initial site parameters, it's time to add some features. You'll want to select items such as donations, blog, and contact form. These features are critical for engaging with your audience, sharing updates, and of course, accepting those all-important donations directly through your site. With these selections made, Wix ADI will swiftly build a ready-made site for you. Now comes the fun part. Choose a style or theme that speaks to you and your organization's personality. Look for something that resonates with your message and aligns with how you want users to feel when they visit your site. At this point, it's important to make the site uniquely yours. Go ahead and edit the text, add your logo, and replace any stock photos with your own pictures. Personal touches not only build brand trust, but also immerse visitors in your unique story and cause. Additionally, be sure to pay special attention to the donate section. Check that it's in place and functional. To streamline the donation process, connect either PayPal or Wix payments, enabling secure transactions. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time for the big moment. Hit publish to make your website live. Congratulations, your new site is now ready to welcome visitors and support your objectives on WordPress. You've just taken a significant step towards expanding your online presence, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and manageable.